Here's a look and review of the Goodee 4K projector. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, great outdoor projector which has apps on it like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube. It has the HDMI that you could connect a laptop to as well, and a USB. So let's get into it and see exactly how to set it up, how easy it is to work, and go from there. Remote paired, which all you have to do is press a plus and the minus button, and we're going to start setting up here. This is electronic focus. Yeah, let's look at you can see it being sharper. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so now we're going to join my Wi-Fi network. So I signed into my Prime Video, and now I was watching Downton Abbey, so I could continue watching Downton Abbey on the projector. I have my laptop hooked up to the HDMI to the projector, and it's mirroring it, and there we go. The entire screen is mirroring, which is pretty cool. It's extremely easy to set up the screencast mirroring too on the phone to the projector, so that's really good as well. All in all, this projector is really easy to set up. However, I will say it does not come with batteries, so you're going to need to get two AAA batteries. It is extremely sharp. I love the electric focus onto it. The 4K makes everything look so great, so I can't wait to start doing some photography and watching my shows with this projector.